Hi everyone, this is Anna from Phenomena Paints and I'm back with my shoes I was working on in the last video. This is the first coat on my shoe. It last video, if you check out, you will see it was a very dirty shoe. So I've just painted one coat. Now I'm going to do a second coat on it, and then we're going to do something else on the shoe. So I'm going to be using again these small brushes, and I have three colors. The pink one, it's Wannabe, and this is Rusty Orchid, which is a purple, and then I have this color which is Gem. So let's start with the Rusty Orchid because it's the first one. So I hope you have a good time and you have enjoyed the last video, and we will be finishing up this pair today. I will also show you that how I'm going to blend two colors in here. Like on the shoe there are two colors. I don't want this harsh line here, so I will be blending this line. Okay, so purple is done. And let's do the pink one. Because this paint dries up fast, so first I will blend them and then I'm going to complete the second coat. While I'm doing the second coat, I will also be blending, and I want the paint to be wet while I'm blending, so that's why I am going to be blending now the first color. So I will be using this brush, and I will also be cleaning it. You will notice that I'm cleaning it. Let's do it. Blending is very easy. You just have to have your paint a little wet while you're blending. You can do any which way you want to blend. See, the two colors now are blended already. You see the harsh line is gone, and you will see that purple is going in and pink is going that way. So if you feel you need to clean your brush while you're blending, and blend a little bit more. Yeah, it's already done. So let's go and complete our pink. Okay, so we are done with one blending. Let's try the blue one, the Peacock. Because Gem, because the gem color is only at the back of the shoe. So first I'm going to be blending this side, and at this time I will be using a different brush. I'm not using the same brush. I'll be using a different brush. This is straight edge, so it will be better. And remember, I need to keep the paint wet when I'm blending. So let's blend now. See, it's blending already. Keep your brush clean, keep cleaning it so that you don't have smudges of paint. This is almost done. You can see that this is blended now. The blue is going in to the pink and pink is going into the blue. Now I will do this other side. Just a quick update here that we have just updated our videos page on our website. Go check it out and enjoy the videos. If you have missed any of the episodes anywhere, you will be able to catch them there and you can enjoy them there. Okay, so we are done with this and let's continue painting the turquoise color gem. If you feel that the paint is thick, you can mix it with a bit of water or spray a bit of water on it and it will thin it itself. It will be easier to apply and it will go long way. I'm using a smaller brush, so I have to dip it again and again because it's a small brush and it carries a small amount of paint. But you can use a bigger brush if you want to. Okay. So this is done, the blending is done and the second coat is done, and you'll see here the lines are not anymore very sharp here and on the sides. You will see the pink is blending with blue. Once I'm going to take off the tape, you will be able to see that everything is fixed up. So we are done with this. I have another shoe which I have already completed. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do further with it. So let's go. So this shoe I have already completed and it's dried. It's with 2 coats blended and everything done. On this side you see, and on this side you see, everything's done. I have started working on the sole here. If you see that it's gold, so I was planning to put a gold line here, and this is the wax I'm using. It's a redesigned with Prima Decor wax in Eternal. It's gold. It's a very nice gold color. So I'll be using this. I'm using a very thin brush, very small one, and I have used it a lot. So this brush is kind of like smudged, but it has a nice tip for the wax to go on. Yeah, it's already looks nice. So I have used this wax a lot. It's really good. It goes on very easy. Okay, so I have completed this side, you see. It's done. Okay. So now I'm going to try putting on a transfer. I have a small transfer in gold and I'm going to try putting it on. Here it is. This is a small transfer which I will be using to put on my shoe. So I was just planning to put on this way. I believe this way looks nice. It's the outside, or we can try it this way. I don't know. I think this way will look good. This way it will be better. So let's try doing that. So I need something hard inside, so when I'm going to scrub it to get it attached, it will stick on it. So let's try. I'm going to take it out like this. And I'm going to do that here. To try. This is the stick which you can use. It comes with usually transfer, so you can use that. Remember, when you are doing a transfer, you cannot top coat before you do transfer. You need to first do the transfer and then you need to do the top coat anywhere, a furniture, a wood, anything. And you will notice that the transfer is getting attached when you will see it like this. You see that? It's going on. Doesn't take too long. There we go. You see, it's already done. Now I can top coat this afterwards. So here it is. It looks really nice. I like my shoe now. So I'm planning to change the sole as well. And then I was also planning to put something here, like a stencil or something. And I'm still thinking what I'm going to do here. But I think I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of gold stencil here. I'll show you the finished product once everything is done. And I hope you will like it. So this is a quick small video for you for today, just to finish my shoes. And I'll show you the other one once it's done. We'll go from there. Don't forget to check out our videos page on our website. We have updated that page. I hope you're going to enjoy that page because there are lots of videos there. If you have missed anything, you can check it out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You will not miss any video if you subscribe. So that's great. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.